I'm going to go through the renders through these clips to show you how the rough cuts are done and where to catch them. So for this one, to see the camera is moving. So this is okay here as well. See, I zoomed in. So over here, once you go from here, and then start out here, got it. And I'm using C, changes to this cutter, and then V changes back, and then I can click and run. So then I want to see, okay, when did I come back into focus? If I did, and I see it's here, and look at the action where I cutting it as well. So, and then what I do is this is a ripple delete, so what I do is I delete it. So then I know the footage is getting smaller and smaller. So then, like this one, for example, I start here with the jerk, so I remove the jerk, and then this little slight jerk in here, and then cut it here. So this shoot is an example of completely handheld. So you see, it's like, see, so this is your jerk, and then just from here to here is usable. So you bring it down and triple delete. And then this one here is the jerk. You see, it's a slight jerk. So then we start from here. Let's see how much can be used. So this one is again, let's see, again another jerk. This is an example of a handheld one. Okay, and let's give you an example of a GoPro one for jerks, because we wouldn't have any zooms in it. So this, see, the camera is coming into position. Okay, here it is a jerk. We move that, and then see, okay, slight jerks here. We put a stabilizer on this. So effects, warp, stabilize. This takes a while. While this is going on, I'm going to go to another example. Okay, let's look at this one. So this is basically all film on Osmo. So where does the shot start? So this is it. The shot is finished here. So the camera started moving, right? And then too fast, so it's not right. This is not even possible to use. Okay. So the next one you see would be a more smoother shot. Right. So it starts here. See? Right. So I put it in here, and then stops here. So this is it. So over here, this is it. Let's see. Okay, no jobs. So this is from the Osmo, so you don't see like much shake in it as well, but you have to be careful when you're cutting. Okay, what are the starting points? So look at this one, for example. This is the starting point, not this. This is the starting point. So you bring it here and you cut it, and then when it stops, let it be, and cut it. Because normally when you turn on and turn off the record button, the camera shakes a little bit, so ends and starts definitely are out. Okay, so like for example, this one is there. It starts from here, not how it was before. It starts from here and goes on, so, all the way. Okay, so this is an idea on how to handle the Osmo footages. For example, this is I'm coming into position to take the shot. So the shot actually starts from here. So it's here onwards. Or let's see again, I'm trying to position, and so here. All the way. So this is an idea of footage from Osmo. This one was from GoPro, which is still analyzing. But see, in GoPro, you can go through the rest of them. So this is a joke already, but it's up there. So I'll end it. Let's look at the clip at the bottom. So besides these jerks, you also have to see, okay, what is this? Is this something which will be like sellable or something you want to buy? No, I don't think so. So I just delete. Or in your case, you just keep it up because this is like me done after the previous shot and putting the camera or turning it off. So then this one is possible. So this is a good clip. But in this one, if you noticed, there's a slight nice bubble here, but it's acceptable. Anyways, we move on. So this is a very shaky shot, and if you try to stabilize it, it will look weird. So you just let it be. I will be shooting more on GoPro. So here, for example, this is up. So this one. So it starts from here. The camera is shaking, so we don't know how. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how the jerks for GoPro would look like. And then let's do this something else just to give you an idea of things. So here I zoomed in. So this portion is not counted. You zoom in. As soon as you zoom, it's a different frame. So then you just typically here and see, okay, from here, one shot. So this preferably is one shot, but if it's too small, then you can take the whole thing. Okay. Let me give you another example here. This is okay. This is just from the start. So here also you have to look at all jumps. Here it starts. So there's a slide to it, and then it's smoother. So then you bring it here. Our aim is to keep all nice, less jerky, less shaky footages. And to do that, that's why I'm telling you how to taking out time and making sure you understand how this works. So let's try another clip here. I'm doing this with plus and minus. So again, you see this is a jerk. This is not a clip. So this cannot be used. So undo this portion. Yeah. So this is a short intro into rough cuts and